Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and cryptocurrency for you in a simple, straightforward way. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to transfer USDT from Kraken to another wallet in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just dipping your toes into the crypto world, this guide will help you move your USDT safely and efficiently. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin that's super popular for its stability, and Kraken is one of the top exchanges to handle it. But remember, things in crypto can change fast, so always double-check with the latest updates on Kraken's site. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Kraken account. If you don't have one, you'll need to sign up and verify your identity. It's a quick process to keep things secure. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets section. This is where all your assets are listed. Find USDT in your portfolio. It should be easy to spot. Next, click on USDT and select the Withdraw or Send option. You'll be prompted to enter the wallet address where you want to send your USDT. Pro tip: double-check this address because crypto transactions are irreversible. Make sure the wallet supports the same network as your USDT on Kraken. Usually, it's ERC20 on Ethereum or TRC20 on Tron. In 2025, Kraken might have even more options, so pick the one that matches your receiving wallet to avoid any fees or failures. Now, enter the amount you want to transfer. Kraken will show you the estimated fees and the final amount you'll receive. Always review this to avoid surprises. Once you're happy, hit Confirm and authenticate with your two-factor authentication for added security. You'll get a confirmation email or notification shortly after. And just like that, your USDT is on its way. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the network congestion. Once it arrives, check your receiving wallet to make sure everything's good. Before we wrap up, a quick word of caution. Crypto transfers can be risky, so never share your private keys or wallet details. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give us a like, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto space. See you in the next video.